Good morning, everybody. Isn't that beautiful? Watch the sailboat go by. Man, that's nice. Well, everything's already underway here. It's about probably getting close to 9 o'clock in the morning right now. Everybody's here working. The railing people are working. All the crews working. Everybody's busy and going. Oh, thank you. You see the railing now is coming all the way around the front, and they're beginning the pieces that are going down here to the very bottom, getting all that started and shaped up, and that's looking good. He got first piece across the column, but he stopped here because I needed to discuss with him a possible change I might want here in the front, or how I want him to lay it out. So he kind of skipped right here waiting on me. We had guests yesterday, which I really enjoyed, and so we took off hanging out with the guests, and they just went on doing some other things, and because they know they can pick up on it on another day. Well, he is here working on that, and the guys down here are mixing actually already their second batch of concrete here this morning. So they're getting that going right now. And around back here, Juvy is here doing her thing, welding away. Something I'm very happy to see with Juvy today is she's wearing a welding hood. She got an auto shade too. I've got mine down there charging right now in the sun because it's been inside the cabinet. Yeah, I'm happy to see her wearing an auto shade. That's a good thing. I know it's probably more hot, but man, it saves your eyes. Especially if she's doing this just constantly. Could you imagine? She's doing a great job though, man. She lays in a beautiful bead. Look at this. Yeah, she's laying all that in. Now, for you that don't know, they won't have this discoloration here when they're done. And you won't see this bead like this when they're done. There's a nails in there. Yeah, you're standing on nails. I thought he was going to give him some bigger shoes or something. You're going to nail it to your feet? I saw you standing right on that. I'm like, crazy. I'll show you how I want to do that when we get over here to it later. Where you going? Looking all nice and pretty. Ooh, man. Man, you got a date?
Yes.
How many? Are they still in the refrigerator?
Yes. Still good.
Not everybody has an automatic sprinkler like I do. My automatic lawn sprinkler. We are high tech at this place. High tech. Hey everybody, well, it is just after lunch now here on this build day, and I want to see what all's going on. I've been up here helping them. I was working, but I had one of those just deep pain days. I had to go chill for a while, but pain or no pain, I will carry on. Yeah, I will carry on. So let's see what they got going on here. I see a couple things already I don't like, so I'm gonna stop them right now and fix a couple issues. But what we're working on is the staircase. So I'm asking him to get this plywood wet. Now this is a really thin plywood. I mean, it's less than a quarter, it's maybe 3/16. And we want it that way, where it can bend and take these shapes. And we need it a little bit more soft and pliable too. We're getting really close to pouring this today. Very close to pouring it. I mean, I don't know. We could possibly still get it today. I mean, I can't guarantee it, but we might get it by the end of the day. We might. But we got it kind of nailed in there. We got a little form there in the bottom. So what's going to happen here is that this very bottom section right here is going to be filled up like a big solid block of concrete. And then it's going to come, get here where I can show, it's going to come up on the side and then start up and go around. So solid piece of concrete in the footing right there, and it's pinned in, drilled into the slab. It'll come up and then start its curl around, and then it'll kind of flatten out at the top up there. I think it's going to be beautiful. It's going to be absolutely beautiful.